When I was referred to Dr. Iskandar and I called to make my appointment, Frank is the one that made the appointment with me, and he made me feel very comfortable. I let him know that I knew what I was fixing to have to go through was going to be a lot of work. I was scared, and of course, the dentist wasn't my favorite place to be spending a Saturday afternoon. So I went in, met with them, and they were fantastic. All the girls in the office, the doctor, they made me feel comfortable, and they gave me different choices. It wasn't this was the only thing that could happen. They gave me several different choices, from getting a full denture that would be removable to going and getting a zirconium permanent one as well. So I met with them. We came up with the payment plan on it, when we could start, how long it was going to take. My biggest fear was I was not leaving that office with no teeth. So I needed to make sure that whenever I left, that I was able to go back to work, to be able to eat, do anything. So that was my first visit with them. Everything went great, and we planned on getting everything started right away.